All right, we're gonna do this all in one take. This is a Victorinox knife. We're gonna dull it. This is very dull right now, so just to prove it, doesn't really cut. Definitely doesn't do the paper test. All right, I am going to use the Tumbler Rolling Knife Sharpener at my magnetic holder with a 20-degree angle. I'm gonna attach it to the knife. Use the diamond plated disc. Run it from the heel all the way to the tip and sharpen in even strokes until I see metal particles rise from the apex of the edge. All right, let's see. Yep, right here. Let's see if I can get that in there. Turn it around. Sharpen the other side. Check for the burr. All right, remove it with our Helix stainless steel disc. All right, and then to give it an extra polish, use our leather strobe. And then I think that's pretty sharp.